Good afternoon. Welcome to Xin'an ICRT News for Kids. This is Miss Zhou. Let's welcome our anchor from 510. This is Lee.
Hello, I'm Lee. Nice to meet you all on air.
So, what's interesting for today?
We want to share news from the USA about a lost boy kept safe by a bear. 我要分享一个走失的男孩被熊保护的故事。Have you ever gotten lost? Have you ever been in a place where you did not know how to get home? 你曾经在不知名的地方迷失方向，不知道怎么回家吗？
Well, let me tell you, it is a very scary feeling. It is even scarier if you are all alone. 迷路很可怕，尤其是只有你一个人的时候。
This is what happened to a 3-year-old boy This is what happened to a 3-year-old boy named Casey in the United States. He was playing outside his grandmother's house when he went a little bit too far into the woods. 美国有一个叫 Casey 的3岁男孩在外婆家外面玩，结果他跑进了森林里面。
And he was get lost for 2 whole days. That's a long time to be away from home. Casey's family was very worried about him. 他在森林里走失了整整2天，他的家人非常担心。
Thankfully, somebody was there to protect Casey, a wild bear. 幸好有一头熊保护了 Casey.
Casey made a wild bear like he was lost. Bears are usually very dangerous, and people should not go near wild bears if they see them. But this bear kept Casey warm and safe until people found him. 一般来说，野生的熊很危险，不可以靠近。不过，这头熊一直保护着 Casey.
The bear did not hurt Casey, and even though Casey was very cold and very hungry, he was healthy when he returned home. Casey 回到家时虽然又冷又饿，但是没有受伤。
I'm glad for Casey, but remember, even though his story turned out to be okay, you still shouldn't try to make friends with wild bears. Kids should keep alert to the wild animals, and be careful, don't get lost again. I'm Miss Zhou.
I'm Lee.
Hope you like today's interesting news on air. Thank you very much. Goodbye.